Volta region, the only place where water flows from a tree. You can imagine.
I think that is
This,
pipe.
yes, it's very serious and wonderful. My
Coming
hometown,
from the tree.
yes, it's serious and it's wonderful. You can imagine. Isn't it wonderful? So I was asking myself that, what is this? Yet still, that is at the Dome in the Volta region, and it's wonderful. The doing of the Lord. If I haven't been there myself, I wouldn't have known what is going on there. You can imagine. You can imagine. It's very beautiful and wonderful. Sorry. Very beautiful. Look at the tree. That is the tree, and that is the river flowing, or the water flowing from
Where?
the
I'm
river.
coming.
And people are seriously harvesting this water for use. So you can ask, if there is no one to harvest, what does it mean? The water only flows downwards. Yes, because it only comes once in a year in the dry season. It's wonderful. I'm very appreciative to this. Thank you, Jesus. I love that. So marvelous in my sight. And why can't you worship God and favor lives? Look at the tree. I wonder, I wish to know the name of the tree. Please, can I know the name of the tree? What?
Davi, ati ongore. Ati ongore. Huh?
I'm still making investigation to know the name of the tree, and they said the tree is called Folklore in the Volta region, Mafia de Dome, my own hometown. This water only comes in the dry season. The plant is called Folklore tree. Folklore. I really appreciate this. So you can imagine. And people have built around it. I really appreciate that one. Thank you.